Hey guys, so we are making a slime video. Here, let me show you the slime. So we have slime right here. Oh yeah. Guys,
Ow.
So we're gonna...
Our next door neighbor gave us this. And we have other slime in there.
Let me see.
We made this one.
Yeah, we made this one though. But we bought these other ones.
Yeah, our
surprise! I'm finishing up right now as we speak. I'm putting your seat back on, and you should be ready to ride.
my brother made this one because he put some little oranges in there.
Okay, guys. So right now, let's look at this slime first. So I can't believe this is so satisfying.
I can't hear you, buddy.
Like,
all right.
Wow. Like, it is so cool, guys. And guys, look.
Look at this one. This is so purple.
Guys, look.
I made this one.
Alright, so I put this orange inside there. Bloop. Where did it go? It went inside of here, guys.
Oh, there's 2 oranges in there.
Yeah, there's 2 oranges. Here, let me show you. So here's one.
He's gonna get this out.
Here's one. Here's one.
Oh, this is my favorite one, but I have a little bit of it. It's like chocolate.
This is one.
This is 2.
This is one. That's 2. So there's 2 of them. Hold up. You can't really see the.
So this is the 1 slime. This is the 2 slime.
You can see.
This is the 3 slime. Oh, here's the white one. This is the 4th. This is the 4 slime.
Yeah, guys. So yeah, I can't believe this is so satisfying.
Guys, because this one is like this one, but it has like pink and purple. But this green one, like, put it like there.
So I just wanted to show you the green one now.
The white one.
Yeah, let me show you the white one, people. Show you the
he made that one because it's so
soft. I made
soft.
this one.
He like put some little bit of lotion. I put a little bit of pink in there because I like pink in there. Because it makes so cool.
So, I'm gonna, like, make the meat. So, I'm gonna do magic. So, I'm gonna make the slime. Where did the pink go? Where did the pink go, people? Alright.
So,
I'm just kidding. This is slime, right?
Yeah, that almost looked like clay, guys. Because white is clay, like, yeah. Like, these are all slimes. Like,
Ariana, don't show them yet, so we can do it.
Oh, this one we already showed y'all. So,
okay, now we're doing this video. Now we're doing this. Oh, do this. Now we have this, guys.
Okay, your slime.
Okay. So right now we have this kind of slime. It is very cool. All you have to do is like just put glue, shaving cream, and some more stuff. I don't really know, but I forgot how to make it. But yeah, all you have to do is put glue and shaving cream. I know how to make it. I just like don't know. I bought the glue. I got the glue and the shaving cream, but she bought like these other things. I don't know. But yeah, guys.
I made that one.
No, I made this one, remember?
Yeah.
You made the chocolate.
Yeah, I made the chocolate, but
She made the chocolate one.
my brother made this one, and
She made the chocolate one.
no, you got this right from the store, right?
No. I bought that. Yeah, I bought that. Yeah, I bought that. It was from the store.
And you made this, right?
Yeah. Alright, guys, so yeah. Now we're gonna show you
My favorite.
her nothing favorite.
It's my chocolate one.
Where's that thing?
What thing?
Where's the thing for it?
For what?
Oh, for this. Oh yeah, this is the lid for that. Okay, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to show you our.
Oh, look at the orange. It looks so cool. Look at the orange.
So guys, look.
And
I thought it
then
was so
I'll go let's play with our slime. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna.
So guys, thank you for watching our videos.
No, we're gonna play with it when they.
No, we're gonna make a second video
Yeah, we're gonna make
next
a
week.
second
All right.
video.
So I need 2 million likes, guys. 2 million likes.
Yeah,
right?
we need a lot of fans.
Push that like button.
And follow us on YouTube.
Thank you and goodbye.